Well, greetings and salutations, Series 7 test takers. This is the Series 7 Guru. I'm coming to you from my studio here in fabulous Las Vegas with another explication request. The best free supplement to your paid study materials is this my YouTube channel. But if you don't have a Kaplan Qbank, I highly recommend it as a paid supplement. With my Guru 15 discount code at checkout, you can get a Kaplan Qbank Series 7 for $58.50. Great investment. For that commercial, Kaplan allows me to give you a free look on Kaplan content like this. I'll help you with any question you send my way. It's just easier if it's a Kaplan question because you can just send me the QID. I get asked, are there questions on unit investment trusts on your Series 7? The answer is yes. And you don't want to give up these types of questions. It's an aim and shoot, point and click question, right? So there is a problem with having monkeys harvest bananas. The problem is they eat the product. So in active management, there's a portfolio manager buying and selling securities. This says an unmanaged portfolio's characteristics of. And you should have been able to do this even if you didn't know this is a characteristic of a unit investment trust. The answer is A, because that's the definition. A unit investment trust is a fixed portfolio. The assets are professionally selected, but then the portfolio is not managed. As you know, it's common with like bonds, for example, particularly muni bonds. And so I say, hey, you like these muni bonds? They ain't going anywhere. As these muni bonds pay interest, and as these bonds mature, that'll get distributed to you, the UIT unit holder, right? So you're buying proportion ownership in this fixed portfolio of securities. Closed-end funds, actively managed. Definitely going to have to contrast closed-end, which trades supply and demand, with open-end, but different question. They both have managers. A single state muni bond fund indeed has a manager who's going to be buying and selling the munis. And if we said if it's a UIT and it's a fixed portfolio munis, that's not going to be the case. So the answer here is A. I think this is very much the type of question you can encounter on your Series 7. The Kaplan Qbank, I think, is the most similar to the actual exam. So this question is an example of that. So remember, inch by inch, your Series 7 exams is inch, yard by yard. Your Series 7 is hard, and I'll see you for the next explication request.